Hey guys, Julian here with Arizona Tortoise Compound. We're gonna head on into the lizard building, show you a little bit of who's hanging out in there this winter. So follow me. Lizard building. It's where we keep most of these animals during the winter months. Luckily for us, this is Arizona, so we only have a few short months of winter. But this is our semi-arborial row of cages. Andy actually built these. And in this first one are the Tenosaur banana pectinata. Some people say Tenosaur. Tomato. But these guys, for the most part, like to be fed up high. So utilizing things like these bird bowls, planters, they enjoy eating as high up as possible. These are the Tenosaur bakeri, commonly called the swamper, since they come from the Antillean Islands in the mangrove swamps. It's their primary habitat in the wild. Like the pectinata, these guys are actually omnivorous. This is the only cage that is not a Tenosaur. These are our iguana delicatessinas, or lesser Antillean island iguanas. These guys are herbivores through and through, so no insects for you guys, huh? Hi, Panda Bear. This is the Mexican spiny tail. These are pied pectinata. Like the banana pectinatas, both of them do come from Mexico. However, the pieds do get slightly larger than the banana phase. Over here is where we mostly keep the blue-tongued skinks. Are the monkey-tailed skinks, or prehensile-tailed skinks. They're mostly active in the evening, and they love the pothos plant. And this is also where the newly hatched rhino iguana babies are hanging out. They'll stay in here even through spring, since they're too small to really be going outside. This little one is just so brave. She jumps out at me every single time I come in here. She just has no fear whatsoever, and I'm keeping her. So these two enclosures right here are just the yellow Niger Jerrii uromastyx. We don't keep water dishes in here with them. So I always make sure I spray down their food. So, hope you enjoyed the mini tour of who we've got hanging out here in the lizard building over the winter months. Luckily for us in Arizona, winter is very short, so most of these guys will be back outdoors probably in the next 6 to 8 weeks. Anyway, they're all fed, got clean water, time to clean it up, close it down, do it again tomorrow.